Are you looking for ways to make money online that are both innovative and effective? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 5 best ways you can use ChatGPT to earn money. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, these methods will get you started quickly and easily. Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Life Mastery, where we show you how to leverage the power of AI to improve your life and boost your income. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video that could change your life. In this video, we'll dive into 5 specific strategies, some of which you might not have thought of yet, that can help you turn ChatGPT into a money-making machine. First up, offer content creation services. ChatGPT is incredibly powerful when it comes to writing blogs, social media posts, product descriptions, and more. Businesses are always on the lookout for high-quality content, and you can position yourself as a freelance writer or content creator using ChatGPT to produce top-notch work quickly. This can be a great way to generate consistent income. Next, you can use ChatGPT to offer virtual assistant services. From managing emails to scheduling appointments and even handling customer inquiries, ChatGPT can help you efficiently manage tasks for clients. By automating repetitive tasks, you can take on more clients and scale your virtual assistant business. Another fantastic way to earn money is by creating and selling educational courses or ebooks. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm, outline, and even write content on various topics. Whether it's a guide on digital marketing, a course on AI, or an ebook on productivity hacks, there's a huge market out there for valuable content, and ChatGPT can help you create it faster. Did you know you can also develop custom chatbots for businesses using ChatGPT? Many companies want to enhance their customer service by implementing AI-driven chatbots, but they don't have the expertise to create them. You can offer this service, helping businesses build tailored chatbots that improve their customer interaction and satisfaction. Lastly, social media management and growth is another lucrative area. With ChatGPT, you can generate engaging content, schedule posts, and interact with followers on behalf of businesses. You can also use AI to analyze data and improve social media strategies, making your services indispensable to clients looking to boost their online presence. So, there you have it, the 5 best ways to make money using ChatGPT. Offering content creation services, virtual assistant tasks, creating educational materials, developing chatbots, and managing social media. Each of these methods can be a profitable venture if you leverage ChatGPT effectively. With the power of AI at your fingertips, you can work smarter, not harder, and build a steady income stream. The opportunities are endless, and the best part is you can start today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Let me know in the comments which method you're most excited to try, or if you have any other ideas for making money with ChatGPT. And of course, hit that subscribe button for more tips on how to master AI in your life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we continue to explore the amazing ways AI can transform your life.